Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 990N online. This guide simplifies the process for small tax-exempt organizations. We'll cover who needs to file this e-postcard and what information you'll need to have ready. Filing correctly ensures your organization maintains its tax-exempt status with the IRS. It's a quick and easy way to meet your annual reporting requirements. Form 990N, also known as the e-postcard, is for small tax-exempt organizations. If your organization's gross receipts are normally $50,000 or less, this is likely the form for you. You'll need your employer identification number, or EIN, to begin. Make sure your organization's legal name and address are current with the IRS. Having this information ready saves you time during the filing process. Filing Form 990N is straightforward. First, navigate to the IRS website and find the e-postcard filing system. You'll enter your organization's employer identification number, tax year, and contact information. Carefully review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Finally, certify that your organization's gross receipts are $50,000 or less and submit. You'll receive an immediate confirmation. To ensure a smooth filing, always double-check your employer identification number before submitting. Filing on time is crucial. Missing the deadline can lead to automatic revocation of your tax-exempt status. If that happens, you'll need to apply for reinstatement, which can be a lengthy process. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Staying organized helps you manage all your important deadlines effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.